Hi guys, welcome to our podcast. I'm Siti Adila, and here are my college friends.
Hello guys, I'm Windal Lestari Gultom.
Hello guys, I'm Ismi Kairani Satkausnul.
Guys, I'm Lydia Utari.
Halo guys, I'm Adilia Yuanda Putri.
Okay, this is our first podcast and designed to sharing our thoughts of any interesting topics to talk about as the college students. And in this first podcast, we'll talk about studying. Studying, something we all usually do in our life. And what we want to discuss now is, how do you all feel about studying? You guys like studying?
Okay, sorry, can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can.
Yes.
Okay, learning, I think learning is an activity that everyone should do. I think we can learn all things, but learning that I think is boring is studying at school. Because studying in school is very difficult and too much. So if you are asked whether I like it or not about studying, maybe I like some things, but I don't like learning about lessons at school.
And how about you, Vidya? Can you hear my voice? How about you, Vidya?
I like to study, but I don't like to studying too hard because it makes me bored. I prefer to study casual so I can be comfortable studying.
Okay, and how about you, Ismi?
Learning is the first step in studying, achieving success in the future. Yes, well as profession for living life in the future, learning activities will always be carried out so that everyone can think well. Make someone smart and creative. The more often we study, the more we will be able to fill the ability that exists with us.
Yeah, and how about you, Adelia?
Yes, of course, I like to learn. Learning not only transfer knowledge, but also teaches us how to think. My feeling when studying, I feel happy because by studying, I can gain more knowledge or insight.
Great. How about the heaviest subjects, such as learning languages or counting, or subjects that more memorizing skill? Do you like doing that, guys?
When I was in school, I like Indonesian lesson the most. I think Indonesian language is fun, and my Indonesian teacher is the most fun when I learn. The lesson I don't like are counting lesson, like math. I'm not fast enough to understand the subject, and I think the maths teacher is terrible. So I think maths scary.
Yeah, the way the teacher teaches us is very influential. And how about you, Adelia?
The lesson I like the most are lesson about writing short stories, and the lesson I don't like are maths or statistics because learning calculation is too complicated and has to as many formulas.
Oh, you like the subject that using more imagination. Okay, and how about you, Ismi?
I don't like math lesson because it is very difficult for me to determine formula. But I really like learning language. I am interested because language learning is related to storybook, book, and novel. I really like reading.
Yep, and we can improve the languages we learn by reading novels, books, and watching movies. It's more fun, right? And how about you, Winda?
Okay, for me, the subject that are quite difficult are mathematics and history because it makes my brain think really hard and it's very boring. And yes, one of the subject I like is biology and Indonesian language lesson. You know, biology make us know about everything that is close to us. For example, such as studying animals, plants, nature, and even about humans. Yeah, we need motivation that can make us interested in something and learn it.
Yeah, motivation. That's really important.
Yes,
Yes,
exactly.
exactly.
Yeah, how about you, Dila?
I love learning languages, but I don't like learning history, although it has same method like memorizing. But I feel languages are more challenging to me than I had to memorize the dates or events from the past. And my motivation to memorize the subjects or history, I use a method teaching or reading the information to someone like my younger sister. So it likes transferring the memory to them, speak out loud to make my memory more stronger.
Oh, so you are the auditory learner, right?
Yes. And talk about that. How do you guys have techniques or methods in studying or learning something?
I cause the brain tester method by reading. Then I will be serious if I am interested in a lesson until I understand about it. For the work, I will use the method of scheduling study hall. Work at night, I will work on assessment with a predetermined time.
Oh, work at night. It makes us more concentration. And how about you, Vidya?
I learned to use the Renote method because this method makes it easier for me to remember a lesson.
So you summarize the material.
Yes.
Oh, interesting. And how about you, Adelia?
When studying, I prefer to ask the group discussion method because with group discussion learning can be more effective. Because with the discussion, follow friend can exchange ideas. Many bring up varied ideas.
Yeah, definitely. And the last, how about you, Winda?
Okay, in my opinion, liking the person who is our teacher is one of the first ways to get us interested in material being taught. Because when we don't like the teacher, the lessons that will be delivered will be difficult for us to accept because from the start we don't like the teacher personality. So in my opinion, first love the person who conveys the lesson, that after that we can love the lesson.
I see what you mean. Yes, we have to find the enjoyment for studying. Okay, we already know how we study, and we have the same thing that we like the subjects that more using our memorizing skill and imagination. Yeah.
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 Okay, next. Something that happening now is about the studying system. Before pandemic, we used to learn from teacher in face-to-face and also from media online. And now, do you guys prefer online learning or offline learning? How about you, Vidya? Okay, maybe Vidya cannot hear us. And how about you, Adelia?
I prefer to study offline because offline learning is more effective. And if you study online, you will face many obstacles, such as an inadequate network, incurring more costs, such as buying internet quota.
And yeah, how about you, Winda?
Yeah, I think so. I prefer to learn face to face or offline because with face to face we can be closer in carrying out the teaching and learning process. It will create a fairly strong bond between a teacher and student. Learning offline or face to face make it easier to teacher to transfer the knowledge that will be given to student. In addition, offline learning also makes teacher more optimal in educating student in terms of knowledge, skill, and attitude.
Yeah. How about you, Ismi?
Yes, I propose to study face to face because it is more effective and because it essential for students to learn. Because if learning is done online, there can be network disturbances. Students who have home is certain location where it is difficult to get a network will result in failing behind in learning.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and how about you, Vidya? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay.
I prefer to study offline because the material is easier to understand compared to online learning. Online learning is very dependent on the network, which can be disconnected at any time. So you can miss learning material.
Yes, I agree with you all. Regardless of the shortcoming online learning, sometimes it makes the study a little bit flexible and we can get additional information apart from teacher by searching and consuming media online like YouTube content, ebooks, podcasts like this, and many more, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
all right.
Yes. So
Yes.
that's for our podcast today. Hope we can get better in study. Thank you for the sharing, guys. See you on the next podcast. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
You,
you.
bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
See you.